The universe is full of silence until you listen closely. These sounds are not from our world. They are the translated pulses, storms, and echoes of rare cosmic objects that challenge our understanding of space itself. Welcome to part 2 of the rarest sounds in the universe, the heartbeat of the Perseus black hole, a cosmic drumbeat. Location: 250 million light-years away. At the heart of the Perseus Cluster, a supermassive black hole sends out sound waves through surrounding hot gas. When converted into audio, this results in the lowest known note in the universe, a deep B-flat, 57 octaves below middle C. It's the heartbeat of something truly massive. HD 189733b, the roar of a glass storm planet. Location: 63 light-years away. Temperature: 1,000 degrees Celsius. This blue giant is a nightmare. It rains molten glass sideways in hurricane-force winds over 7,000 kilometers per hour. When its atmospheric data was translated into sound, it revealed the chaos of one of the most extreme exoplanets ever discovered, Jupiter's Io plasma Torus. Screams of magnetism. Location: Jupiter's orbit. Volcanic Io is constantly bombarded by Jupiter's immense magnetic field. As charged particles swirl around, they emit radio waves that sound like banshee wails, disturbing, alien, and completely natural. PSR B1257+12, the Pulsar with planets. Location: 2,300 light-years away. This is not just a pulsar. It's one of the first known to host planets. PSR B1257+12 spins nearly 161 times per second, emitting radio pulses that can be converted into eerie, precise ticks. But what makes this even more bizarre is that this dead star has planets orbiting it, survivors of a stellar apocalypse, circling a cosmic metronome. Voyager 1, Plasma Oscillations, the whisper of interstellar space. Location: over 15 billion miles from Earth. As Voyager 1 passed into interstellar space, it recorded the gentle oscillations of plasma, the interstellar medium between the stars. The sound is subtle but haunting, a whisper from the edge of the solar system into the true void. These aren't just sounds, they are evidence. Echoes of the strange, the rare, the forgotten, and the powerful. From planets around pulsars to storms of molten glass, space proves again that it is never truly silent. Which one chilled you the most? Leave a comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more cosmic phenomena.